Hello everybody, this is day 19 of my 2.6 challenge. We have jumped up in donations recently. It's been an amazing surge. We've gone from £70 up to £96, which is incredible. So thank you very much for your donations so far and your support. It's meant so much to me throughout this challenge. Like I said in my last video, the reason I've been doing a video then a few days another video is because I've had uni work to do. Yesterday I was sprung with some more uni work, so that's why I couldn't post for the last few days, but I'm back now for day 19. Today it was very windy indeed, so if the volume sounds a bit lower, I've kind of lowered the volume for you so it doesn't hurt your ears as much. It was windy, but it was actually quite mild, so it was not too bad. The wind wasn't so cold. It's quite nice being out there. It's a bit like a coast, being on the coast. So there's a lot of wind, but it's not so cold. So it's really nice out there today, apart from the wind. So now I'm going to show you today's footage. I'll see you in a bit. Okay. thank you for watching my video, guys. I very do much appreciate it. Once again, I'll leave all the links to the charities that I've talked about in previous videos in the description, as well as my Just Giving page, as well as my Just Giving page link right in front of me, right there. Next video is day 20, so we're coming into the home stretch. We've got 6 days left to do, and it's been a real experience. I've really felt the benefits from doing these exercises, but also it's been great to see the massive support that I've got throughout this time. So thank you once again very much. I really do much appreciate it, and thank you for your likes, your shares, your donations. It's meant so much to me. Thank you very much. And yeah, I shall see you in the next video, which will be day 20. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to support the charities that you want supporting throughout this time, and I shall see you guys on the next video. Take care, stay safe. Thank you very much.